In 1930, James Adams and Joseph Coulomb saw a problem. Their friends in the elevator business needed parts, and the industry's suppliers weren't delivering fast enough. In response, they opened an independent shop named Adams Manufacturing, which quickly became the go-to resource for any mechanic who needed parts fast. Business boomed, and Adams Manufacturing soon evolved into Adams Elevator Equipment Company, a storefront, mail-order business, and now a thriving e-commerce site. Through the years, we've taken on clients ranging from government agencies to hospitals to universities and more. Because professionals in every field know that whatever the part, wherever the installation, Adams is the first place to call for solutions. We have 35 to 40,000 products to choose from in our warehouse, and 97% of our parts ship the same day from our state-of-the-art distribution facility. Our products and our services are our founder's legacy, and we work to preserve it every day. We keep your elevators and escalators running. We keep your passengers safe. We do it all as proficiently as possible. Why? Because we're Adams, and we live up to our slogan, more parts, delivered faster.